All right, you guys, listen up. Today is Operation Surprise Sabrina. It's going to be her birthday in 5 days, and I have a little gift for her today. A little surprise, let's call it. Sabrina doesn't know what's happening today, and let me tell you, getting things by Sabrina is very, very difficult. She works with me every single day and does a lot of our back-end stuff to keep everything running here. So planning something around her is extremely difficult, and I've never really been that successful. But today, I plan to finally take home the trophy and accomplish it. One of my good friends, Hunter, now works at Ferrari of San Diego. Ferrari just came out with a supercar SUV that is a rival of the Urus. And some of you guys may know I got her that Urus almost 2 years ago now. Sabrina is one of those girls that doesn't consider herself a car girl, but definitely does have a few things she likes, and she does love that Urus, and it's kind of blossomed a relationship of cars with her. But when she saw the new SUV come out from Ferrari, I took note when she said she thought it was really, really cool. So I called in a favor from my friends over at Ferrari, and I asked if there was any way that we could get our hands on one for about a day. They came back and they said, oh, for her birthday, Sabrina, we'll do you one better. We're gonna have the car for almost a week, and she doesn't know anything about it. So here's our plan. My birthday is actually in 2 weeks. Sabrina and I's birthday are just days apart. I told her, I'm gonna be turning 30. I wanted to get myself a new car, so I told her that I bought a Ferrari. I didn't buy a Ferrari. So I told her that I needed a ride down to San Diego Ferrari today so I could pick up the new car. But really, we're gonna go there, and hopefully the SUV is gonna be waiting out front for her, and I'm gonna toss her the keys and tell her happy birthday. Step one is convince her to give me a ride without her noticing that it's fishy. Let's see if we can do it. Hey, babe. Hey. Why? I was in my office. Oh. There's so much to do today with all the other. Could you give me a ride?
Where?
Hunter said I could get the Ferrari today. Could you give me a ride?
Right now?
I'm trying to get it done today so we can get back. We'll be back literally.
40 minutes?
Yeah, it'll be really quick. I promise it won't take a long time.
Can I drive the Ferrari back? So you can get some shots of me? So exciting.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, it's for me. I cannot wait for me.
I want to change the Lambo out.
What?
All of a sudden?
No, you're a Lambo girl.
Oh no, I've always been a Ferrari girl. Let's go get a Ferrari. Are you excited? I'm more excited than
you. Damn, you guys got a lineup right now.
Look at this.
What color is this?
Viola Hong Kong.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wait, is this an SF90?
Yeah.
Look at you knowing your stuff, dude. Wow, this is incredible. There's probably one thing you guys don't know about Sabrina, and it's that she hates surprises. So as she was looking at the Purusagwe, I thought this would be the ultimate time to give up the gig and finally tell her. I know I told you that we were here for my Ferrari. We're actually here for you today.
No, we're not.
We are. We are.
No.
We are.
Are you serious?
I am being very serious.
I'm wearing literal sweatpants today.
Yes, this outfit wasn't the one.
Why would you do me like this?
Do you have the keys to it?
Yeah.
Damn. Let's go see it.
I don't.
Let's go see it. It's the
Is
SUV.
the SUV out front, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jay.
Let's test it out.
Hey,
It's a little birthday.
I was
a little birthday.
It's much smaller.
It's so much smaller. Okay, so what's the official name of
Puro Songway.
Wait,
Puro Songway.
Puro Songway? Puro
it's
Songway.
It's like most things in Italian. Just it goes off the tongue.
Something we haven't talked about too much is that coming up in January, Sabrina's gonna have another surgery. This, of course, has been really difficult for us behind the scenes, but mainly Sabrina. So surprising her with something today, although it's not hers to keep, but being able to give her something just to look forward to for the next couple of days meant a lot to me. And although she doesn't show it, I know she's screaming with happiness on the inside. And at least, if anything, it's a great distraction for now. Whoa! Whoa! Sounds like Ferrari. Wow. Wow, the rear end is like gorgeous. Nobody wants to think about debt. That is just the harsh reality. But during the holiday season, a lot of people get into it just to pay for the holidays. That's why PDS Debt is here for all of us. If you're making payments every month on your debt and your balances aren't going down, then PDS can tailor a custom solution made for you. Everyone with $10,000 or more in eligible debt qualifies, and there is no minimum credit score required, and bad and fair credit is both accepted. So with PDS Debt, you can save more off your debt while paying it down in a fraction of the time. The holidays for all of us can be extremely stressful, and the pressure of getting gifts and spreading the holiday spirit can really put us deeper down in debt. So start planning today and get a free debt analysis test at pdsdebt.com/hunt. It only takes 30 seconds, and they're gonna make a custom plan for you. So shout out and thank you to today's sponsor, PDS Debt. Now let's get back to today's video.
Myself, Hunter, help.
There's no park.
Help, Hunter.
There's no park?
It's a Ferrari.
Okay,
So,
I'm in reverse right
Put
now.
it in first gear by pulling the paddle.
Okay, that's how my car
Okay,
works.
perfect. And then,
Dude.
Ooh, dude,
The
that
V12
sounds
is
good. That
sick.
sounds really
right?
good.
Wow.
And so you have like a full passenger display that you control everything on.
Oh,
And then also,
It's gonna be way faster than that, huh?
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know. I would imagine they'd be very close.
they're gonna be similar.
But this car is gonna feel much tighter. It's
Yeah.
gonna feel
Better
way
all
different
around.
because you're not gonna have the turbo. It's gonna be much more linear power band.
And like the rolls, you don't have to.
I saw a video of that on
Let me see
Instagram
the outside.
that it closes like that, and
Dude,
the
it's
back
so cool.
the back seats are like commander seats or whatever. What is it called? Like
Captain's,
captain
yeah.
seats.
Wireless charging back here.
When she gets nervous, she doesn't say much. She's a little nervous. I'm excited to see how it drives. I've seen a lot of stuff online about it, but I haven't seen too many on the road yet. How long have they been out for? What's the price tag?
These are around 550, 600. Some of them are a little bit more, like
Yeah.
620,
Like you could
630.
spec it to
one
be.
in there.
Yeah, you could spec it to be like crazy.
Like
Because Ferrari
no.
does tailor-made, so you could literally go and fly to New York.
Do a full
We
experience.
go with you, and like let's say you want the painted shields. Like these are like the standard Scuderia shields. So that's like 2,300, but the painted ones are airbrushed. They're 14 grand. It looks really good.
I want to say a huge, massive thanks to our friends at Ferrari for making this possible. It's really special that we're given the opportunities like this because I feel like I'm still 18 and just started a random YouTube channel and people are tossing me keys to cars. This is really special for me because I get to do it for Sabrina. This was a car that we were talking about for a while that she had a lot of interest in because she's an SUV gal. But truth be told, she's a little bit nervous driving it home on a road in this area.
Guys, you gotta understand. Last time someone gave me the keys to a car that wasn't my car, it was in Hawaii renting a Turo car, and someone crashed into me, and it was like the most PTSD, horrible thing that ever happened to me. I just sat in this car for 30 seconds. I don't know how it works. I need like at least like a 30-minute debrief. So TJ's gonna drive it back to the shop, and then I'll drive it home. Okay, that's all I'm saying. I don't know how these things
She
work.
had
and we're
one
talking-
bad rental car experience,
And we're talking
and
about
it
a-
wasn't her fault, and it scarred her
This
for
car
life.
is worth more than my life, okay? So I don't want anything bad happening. This guy's a professional race car driver. He can drive it home. I'll take my baby, and then I'll drive it to dinner tonight.
I won't complain about driving a Ferrari home. I won't. I'm stoked that you bought my bait, that I bought a Ferrari. I'm glad that that all worked.
I was really.
Sabrina doesn't like surprises, and I know that. So
And yet this man still continues to surprise me.
yeah, Puro Sagwe. Hey, this is the Puro Sagwe. This car is very special. This Puro Sagwe. No complaints here. I'll drive it home. Foot on the brake. Touch a touchscreen start stop. Whoa. Sport, wet, ice. We're going to sport, baby. Naturally aspirated V12 Ferrari Puro Sagwe. First impressions, we're gonna hammer it onto the on-ramp here. Holy shit. I just love Sabrina in the dust, baby. Oh, the downshift. What I will say is that this car, it's gonna sound silly when I say it out loud, it feels like a Ferrari. A lot stiffer than the Urus is, feels way more tight. Like the Urus is amazing, but the Urus has a lot of body roll to it. Like it feels like a heavy SUV that is really fast, but doesn't feel light and nimble. Where like this car is super tight, very nimble, super direct. Like it feels very dirty and it does not feel like a big SUV. Although this is actually a lot smaller than the SUV. Oh! Now I'm still figuring out how to use all of these buttons because I am not up to date with 2024 Ferrari UI, but it looks very fancy. I look forward to figuring it out, although I only have about 20 minutes from this until I know Sabrina's gonna yank it back from me. But it's really cool to get in it and to get a little bit of a first impression. Honestly, I wanna sit in the back seats more than I wanna be in the front seat. Definitely a little confusing to get used to, but super sick. Dude, I can't believe you gave up the first drive for me.
I'm gonna drive it.
I'll drive this thing all week. I'll change the title of the thumbnail. This is my whip.
Dude, it's so nice.
Dude, you have no idea. Look how much smaller it is.
I love that. Oh my gosh, it's tiny.
It's
Dude,
for sure
the rear
tiny.
end of this thing is...
Dude, the front, I'll be honest, I didn't like the front. It's starting to grow on me.
This one's kind of hitting different.
Yeah.
Back on this one all day long.
The Urus has just a great vibe all around, but this has such a unique, like,
Yes.
I'm more expensive than you, don't touch me kind of
I was
vibe.
gonna say, this has more like masculine, this is like very like fancy. You could just destroy.
Masculine, versus fancy.
See, this is faster than this. I was trying to keep up with you in Corsa.
Yeah, but I was probably rolling you. Yo, this lineup at the shop's looking a little ridiculous. Looking a little...
Bit out of hand again.
Something about this doesn't seem right.
We're gonna let Kev drive her 10 feet into the garage. And then we're gonna get his review. Damn, that thing is sexy. I will give it that. The hood vents are my favorite. Dude, it looks kind of nasty at night. It does look good at night. It looks like a fat Lusso to me. Full bird poop. I'm so sorry, Ferrari San Diego. Kev, what do you think, Kev? Whoa! How do you make it do that? Do it again. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, it grows on you. It grows. Dude, the front is sexy. Front is growing on me a little bit. Really? Because about 3 minutes ago at the gas station, for them, 3 minutes ago at the gas station, you were like, quarter angle, I don't know about that. Start button is on the wheel, you guys, and you have to press it twice. And then, oh, Kevin, wow, you just figured that out. Yeah, there's no park. You have to put it into...
I've driven one of these.
I forgot that you are a crazy rich Asian.
I'm not crazy. I mean, I'm not rich, but I'm a bit crazy. I go start it, woo! In the driver's seat, honestly, it's a much different experience. The car itself, it's a very unique look, but the seats, these seats are really nice seats. Back seats, they look insane actually. Oh, I didn't even see the sunroof. It takes a second to get used to. I think it's a little cool that this like uniqueness of this car right here.
Let me hear it, Kev.
You guys want to go in for a rip?
Sounds good.
Let's do an on-the-road review.
On the road review?
Kevin pressed some button, and now something's happening. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
All right, you guys, so we got in the garage. We backed her in. You're not going to be able to see shit, but Kevin and Nate are back there.
Phone light on.
We're waiting for TJ to get home. He's going to get home.
Any
But
second.
Kevin, not on me.
On me.
He's
All
gonna-
TJ's almost home. Oh my, that's so bright.
It's so bright.
TJ's almost home, and we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna scare him. We're just gonna play hide and seek for a
TJ's
second.
going to pull in. Wow, you really can't see shit. Kevin, can you put your flashlight over there?
Where?
Over there, on that dead spot.
What?
Okay, you guys can't see shit, but TJ's going to park right there.
Kev, you gotta go like this.
Let's do what we did that one time and just stay in the car, let him go inside and realize none of us are here.
Okay. Who's ring?
Guys, this could be the stupidest clip you've ever seen, but just bear with me here. We're having fun. I'm really ducked down. He's pulling in. Oh, he drove my car home. What an absolute G. He's gonna back the Lambo
He's
in.
gonna do like a 4-point.
Yeah, he is.
Like,
Damn it, nobody can see. It says more light required. This is truly the worst clip I've probably ever filmed in my entire life.
I really dogged him.
Those backup lights are so bright.
Dude, he's not gonna see me. There's no way he's gonna see me. Wow, TJ's a true homie. I said, can you take my car home just so I can maybe drive it if I miss it? He said, I want to take the GT3 home.
Dude, it's so bright.
Oh god. Okay, guys, I have to get down. Oh, he's right there. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh he was just looking above the car.
Didn't see you. No way you didn't see you. Where'd he go? He went inside.
Good teamwork. We
Why's
literally.
your phone so dark?
I don't. That's what I'm saying. I haven't been able to get literally. I think I hear footsteps. Guys, we've been in here for like literally 5 minutes. The man just walked inside. Didn't give a shit. Doesn't care where any of us are. Oh, he saw me. Oh. it! He got us. He got us. No, not in the Ferrari. Not in the Ferrari. Did you look all throughout the house to not be able to find us?
The moment I got in the house, I said, I know they're hiding. And then I said, the last time we played this game, I remember the winning spot was inside of a car. So this is the
Damn.
Lucky I didn't blast you in the face.
Wow. No. Hit him.
It's dead.
TJ, I want you to know.
What? Figured out where the volume was. Hunter told me.
Really? It wasn't on the steering wheel?
No, it is on the steering
Take a
wheel.
look at the V12.
I was looking at it earlier.
Oh, you already popped the hood.
This side.
Oh, it's that.
Oh, wow.
Damn, it is massive.
Damn.
Hey, how do you look?
Here they are, side by side, boys. Hi, baby dogs. This says rich mom going to Pilates, sophisticated, classy, hop on my yacht. This is like,
Yeah, say it.
this is like, this is me. That is me. Like, listening to my music, absolutely full blast, tearing up the back roads. I'll lose my life tonight.
Oh, I should do
It is great.
Dude, it's
absolutely
amazing.
It handles amazing. Very, very impressive. Well, this Ferrari is awesome, and we have the rest of the weekend to enjoy it. But once again, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to San Diego Ferrari. The Purosangue is a very, very unique SUV. This car is very special, and I'm very curious to see where it goes in the future or what models they will release. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and keep moving